If you can tell us a story about how your old man got involved in that.
Yeah. So look, it's probably, might be a bit cheesy, but it's a proper family story. I mean, myself, I was born in Adelaide. My mum.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. I'm sorry about it as well. I'm trying to forget about it. So yeah, look, my mum and my dad obviously met in SA. My dad being a Vic boy, my mum being an SA girl. So, just came, like I said, mate, opportunity, and just it was the bare basics of going, hey, this is a good product. I don't know anywhere in Melbourne that has it. No one else in Melbourne has it. No one else in any other state has it, let alone Melbourne. So just came to that. So okay, let's take this bad boy and go elsewhere with it.
And how did you find out about? How did you find out about the product?
Yeah, so the Nippy's is everywhere in SA. It's a staple. Yep. It's more staple than bread and milk. So
SA really has a lot of those household brands that have remained the kind of family led brands, like what's that, like is Cooper's from SA?
Cooper, the beer, the Farmers Union boys, and all those guys like that. So it's a real support your home produced product state.
For sure.
So we get that, like, it's always going to be the dominant state when you look at the stats and the numbers of the wholesales nationally, for the number of people that it's got, but it's really driven behind supporting your local business.
Yeah, there's another soft drink brand or something that's really massive in SA that one of our other customers, who's a coffee distributor, he just bought the brand,
right?
And he's going to start to produce it again and distribute it.
It is a good state. I think it's also a state that statistically has always shown it's always led the first to market stats.
Yeah, okay.
So it's a trial state as well. So anytime you look at international brands, they'll always trial in SA.
They actually started in SA.
Yeah.
That's interesting, isn't it?
It's a small enough market to kind of run some good numbers on and go, hey, this is working. Let's trend it out.
Maybe they look at it and they look at it as an environment where they can maybe make a couple of mistakes in, without ruining their chances in your Vic and your New South Wales.
That's right. Yeah, because at the end of the day, everything comes down to population and numbers, and that half the or 3/4 of the population in the country live on the east coast. So let's trial it somewhere else.
Yeah, absolutely.